Hello everyone, this is me Shrikesh, तपाईको आफ्नै मोटो नर्ड and welcome to Helmets नेपालको Moto Gears 101. Now हामीले मार्केटमा देखिरहेकै छौं, we are getting new bikes but they look old. हाम्रो retro bikes हरु टन्नै आउँदैछन्. Not only that, अब Royal Enfield टक्कर दिनलाई we have Honda को CB350, त्यस्तै गरेर इटालिका पनि आउँदैछ हाम्रो इटालिकाको रेन्जको तर्फबाटमा. So we thought हाम्रो Helmets Nepal to bring helmets that would really suit these sweet motorcycles, you know. And the first one we have on offer is Axor ko Rogue helmet. So let's take a look. Right? As you can see, this is Axor ko Rogue helmet. Now this amazing helmet is built in the most vintage style possible while making sure you are safe. This is a DOT rated helmet and American safety certification pass gareko cha, so you know this is going to be safe. Now, made in India, this helmet weighs only 1185 grams. That is almost 1200 grams. Very light, and its main reason is its shell. The shell is made out of fiberglass. Fiberglass, as you know, is a midway between carbon fiber and normal thermoplastics, which means this helmet has amazing crashability. Even when you do crash, the fiberglass is going to spread the whole impact out, making you very safe. Apart from that, when it comes to styling, Axor has not spent like any small effort because they have given you this amazingly comfortable leather neck roll, but safety is always paramount. They have given the double D ring system. A little hassle-some for most people, and it's still debatable which ring is the best, but no matter what you say, it is guaranteed to be extremely safe. This helmet, though is old, has a newer feature that most old helmets did not have, which is removable liners. You can remove isko bhitarko foam padding and you can wash them and use them easily. So when it comes to ventilation, Axor has kind of skipped out. They have not given any active vents. They have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vents, but all of them are passive. So maybe in those chilly winter days, alikati aligaro hola. But apart from that, this is an amazing helmet that will suit your vintage ride like nothing else. If you would like to purchase it, you can visit us anytime at any three of our showrooms, that is Maitikar, Teku and Noksal, or message us on Facebook and Instagram, or visit our website at www.helmetsnepal.com. So the price for this helmet is 15,950. Comes in black only at the moment, but let's see what the future brings. As we know, Axor is known for its crazy graphics. So this is me signing off. Jai Nepal.